This place is bustling with excitement. Let's go check it out.
Putting up cutlets and making rice cakes makes the atmosphere super festive.
Rice cake. Chinese New Year is here. Let's make some rice cakes. Let's make different types of rice cakes. Let's put some toppings on the rice cake. Osmanthus paste, chili oil, osmanthus paste. The rice cakes are ready. Let's eat! Put up cutlets and hang lanterns to celebrate Chinese New Year. Set off some fireworks to add to the celebratory atmosphere. Fill up the fireworks tube. Tap here and you'll see an amazing fireworks display. Wow! The fireworks are so beautiful! everyone! This place is bustling with excitement. Let's go check it out. The Lantern Festival is a blast. We celebrate it by dancing dragon lanterns, guessing lantern riddles on the 15th day of the first month in the lunar calendar.
Let's eat some yuanxiao.
Set off some fireworks to add to the celebratory atmosphere. We need dancing dragon lanterns for the Lantern Festival. The lantern is finished. We can celebrate the Lantern Festival with this dancing dragon lantern. Wow! The dragon lantern is even longer now. Look at the big, beautiful lanterns. Guess the riddle to celebrate the Lantern Festival. What is the cat's favorite food? Take a guess. What did the sheep eat? Happy Lantern Festival, everyone!